Alright, my name is Armin, and for homework 8, ECE 376, I created a stopwatch with the pick board using interrupts, and I essentially incorporated what we did in question 1, which was we wanted to time it up to 99.9999 seconds. So we had the interrupt go every 0.1 milliseconds, and as you can see, as it's about to hit 99 seconds, once it hits there, it'll reset back down to 0. And in order to essentially, the idea behind the stopwatch is we'll click RB1, RB2, and RB3 respectively to take the times for 3 separate runners. So as you can see, when I hit RB1, it'll keep counting. I'll hit RB2 at about 23 seconds, and then finally when I hit RB3, it'll display the time for runner 1 for 5 seconds, and then runner 2 for 5 seconds, and then after that's up, it'll show the time for runner 3, and then if I hold down RB4, as soon as it finishes displaying the time for runner 3, it'll go back to timing the stopwatch, and then let's say I'll hit those 3 again, and then as I said previously, it'll show the times for each runner. As you can see, when we turn off the time for each runner, the oscilloscope isn't showing anything because we have it connected to RA0, which is manipulated inside of the interrupt. So after we take the times for each of the runners, we turn off the interrupts, hence no signals are being sent to RA0 anymore. And then I'll hold down RB0, or sorry, RB4, so as soon as runner 3 is done, it'll reset. It resets, it starts taking time again, and then as you can see on the oscilloscope, we've got about a period of 200 microseconds, which means that we're counting, or we're incrementing our timer about once every 0.1 milliseconds, which we can see here. So that's the lab for homework 8, ECE 376.